Guys, what's up? I'm out here, hit it with some Bondo Glass. Did some major sand and filled in the air bubbles that I got on the outside here. But yeah, when I'm done with this bitch, this tube on the inside is gonna be smooth as a baby's ass. It's probably already starting to harden. It's getting there. Oh yeah. Got that shit. Giving it a little bit more of a lip on the outside. I know it looks shitty, but that's the way to get it to where you gotta get it. Let me wipe this off real quick, hold on. But yeah, anyway, it's coming together. It's a long process to get this shit done. There she is. I gotta get the fuck out of here because I'm starting to get a head rush. I don't wear a mask and shit. Probably gonna fucking be the death of me. But, yep. We're getting her, guys. We're getting her. We are getting her. Yeah. Super stoked. All right, guys. Peace out. Give you a next update. I'll get this sanded. And I'll get a coat of primer on it and show you what the next step is. Peace.